Hey YouTube, hey. I just wanted to come on here and introduce myself and introduce my brand and introduce you guys to the channel and what to expect. My name is Kat, and I'm also known as some of the things here. Others not so much, but I'm a fashion designer, I am an artist, I am most importantly a teacher. I'm a Spanish teacher in Baltimore City school system. As you can see, the bulletin boards are our background today. We don't have anything up today because we have a test, and I know that my students studied. So yeah, the brand. The brand that I've started and the brand that I want to continue to grow before you guys' eyes is called Genes. 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 The ones that are passed down and the ones you'll pass down to your children if you haven't already. So Genes is a textile recycling company, and we are dedicated to bringing awareness to textile recycling by reconstructing, repurposing, reselling everything denim. From shoes to furniture to jewelry to pot holders, like anything you can think of, we are taking the denim and we're repurposing it all. Not many people are aware of textile recycling and the effects of textile recycling and the effects of not textile recycling. But if you stay tuned to the channel, you'll see a lot of information about that. A lot of instances of textile recycling gone bad and textile recycling gone great. So guys, stay tuned for that. We'll also do things like thrift hauls, artist interviews, recycling events, DIY denim things, DIY furniture, DIY distressing denim and things like that, guys. Just stay tuned. There's going to be a bunch of stuff in store. The main purpose of the channel, which is called Our Denim Genes, is to basically give you insight on a brand that's making a difference in the world. We don't just want to make money. We can make money. There are 1,000 ways to make money, but we want to make a difference. There are 1,000 ways to make a difference too, and we chose this one. So guys, like, subscribe. If you want to purchase Genes, you can go to our Poshmark. That'll be in the description box below. Depop, Instagram, all of that good stuff. Website coming soon. I want you guys to help me build my website. Like, we're gonna go through this together. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned, guys. We got some good stuff coming up soon. Starting today, really. Tammy, Waka Flocka wife. You know them. Yeah. So Tammy's hometown is my hometown, Baltimore. Yay, let's go Ravens. Y'all know what's up. Y'all saw Lamar Jackson out in that field. Y'all know what's up. Wait till month. All right, anyway. So Tammy will be here. They're giving out turkeys for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is in a couple of days. It's November the 2019. And the Wakas are giving away turkeys to families in need in Baltimore. How great is that? And when I saw it, I was like, oh, I don't need a turkey. I was like, but I would love to see Tammy. I would love to see Waka. And then I thought about it, like, who usually gives to the givers? Nobody usually gives to the givers. The givers usually just give and go home with a grateful heart. But today, Tammy, we're giving to the giver. We're giving to you. Guys, I'll tape that and I'll put that up here too. So just come on this journey with us, y'all. Just come on this journey with us and learn and grow and experience some of the things that we are experiencing through the videos. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Like I said, everything else is going to be in the description box. Stay tuned, guys. And remember, don't just go green. Go Gene.